Hey, I'm Andy with Beauflor USA. Today we want to talk to you about our Blacktex HD product. It's our cushion vinyl product that's perfect for your life today. It is kid-friendly, pet-friendly, waterproof, perfect for your kitchens and baths. We also put a patented backing on this that gives you the durability that you need. This product is made right here in the USA. We have 30 beautiful colors and patterns to choose from. You have wood visuals, you have tile visuals, you even have some stone visuals in there. Something for everyone. We hope you check us out on social media and learn more on our website. Thank you for choosing Beauflor.